Hello everybody. Today we are test driving with a lady owner.
Hello.
218 BMW, which came in with a DPF and some other problems. The problems has been solved. My lady customer wants to be secret, so she's just going to talk. Okay, lady, let's show your dashboard. You have no lights on the dashboard.
No.
What can you tell us about your car? How was it before and how is it now?
So my car has done a lot of miles, over 185,000, and it was still performing, but it was sluggish, loud. I noticed a lot of noises coming out of the engine, and I thought I need to do something. The light was always on. It almost failed its MOT, and then I found Errol, DPF Supreme Cleaning. Decided, let's give it a go. Let's send it to Errol. What can he do? And now I'm driving. The car is quiet. It feels like it's a dream to drive now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, what is the comparison? How was it before and how is it now? I mean, speed-wise or acceleration, this responsiveness?
The responsiveness is more accurate. I feel like I can actually get away easier from stopping, starting. It's more fun to drive, basically.
Speed camera there.
I can't drive. I'm trying to show you the acceleration, but I can't. I'm in 30 mile an hour
Okay.
zones.
Finally, are you happy, customer?
Very happy customer.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. We are the masters, and this is what we know. We're gonna keep left. Keep the left lane, please. And straight. DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. Can you see any black or white smoke on your car?
Can't
Behind?
see any smoke.
Not from the mirrors, anything?
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Good. So, we are the masters. We know what we are doing. Please give me a ring on 07533 636 194 with your problems. If I can't help you, I won't charge you. Thanks for watching.